Hello tutor and classmate, welcome to this final reflective video for the course Didactics of Social Listening. My name is Camila Andrea Cortez and today I will share a short summary of my learning process and how different teaching methods help me grow as future bilingual teacher. During this course, we learn how to teach social science in English. One important area was teaching content and language at the same time. This helped me understand that social science is not only about fact, but also about thinking, culture, and using English in real situations. Another important method helped me discover lessons where students learn by doing real tasks. Instead of only memorizing grammar, students can create activities like family, math, or simple projects. This makes learning more natural and meaningful. I was learning how to plan lessons using COM and the main focus. This helped me take difficult topics and turn them into simple, clear, and interactive activities for students. Creating the curricular in task form was very important for me. I learned that teachers need training before the class, not only during the class. We must think about the school context, the student, and the education rules. As reference on my teaching practice industry helped me improve. I understood that teaching is not only giving class, but also thinking about what can be better next time. In conclusion, this course changed how I understand bilingual education. Now I feel more confident to design simple and creative material for the future student. I want to make socializing fun, clear and meaningful. Thank you very much for your time and support.